Hello students. As we start with the separation of the organic mixture, here the next mixture. First you have to see the color of the mixture. It is a dark black brown color. There is no white color is seen in the mixture. Now as we learn like them, first we take mixture into the test tube and identify the type of the compound. First we start with the carboxylic acid. For that we just add about 4 to 5 ml sodium bicarbonate solution. Then shake well. I see there is no effervescence, as well as we can't hearing the effervescence. Again shake well, then filter the solution. Here the filter paper and the funnel is here. We have put here the some test tube and filter it. We clearly see that there is no effervescence, means acid is absent. However, for the confirmation, I just add few drop of HCl into it. Again, no PPT. There is no reprecipitation. So it is confirmed, that is acid is not given in the mixture. Now here in the residue there is either phenol, either base or neutral. Any two compound is given out of 3 because acid is absent. Now here we just add second for the phenol. If the phenol is given, then it is soluble in NaOH. I just add NaOH solution. Again I shake well and filter paper is discarded. Shake well. Here the phenol if present, then on the filtration, if we add HCl solution, then clearly we see the precipitation. This is the filter and this is the filtration. Now I add HCl solution. Here I add the concentrated HCl. I think here the PPT is obtained, means there is a reprecipitation. There is a reprecipitation and clearly we see the PPT. So the phenol compound is present. Now the one type is the phenol. Acid is not present. Okay. Now in the filter paper, either base is there, either neutral compound is there. We already learned in first and second year the some neutral compound some neutral compound, that is the amide group, anilide group, as well as metadinitrobenzene group, then the hydrocarbon group. I am just talking about the solid particle, because here both the component is the solid. Now I add in the residue, that is in the filter paper, I add the dilute HCl. I may already tell you that some base compound is not easily soluble in dilute HCl and some one are easily soluble. We have also remember, that is the color and the smell of the mixture. As we have identified the phenol, then the color of the difference second compound, it is also the coloring compound. It is clearly known that the base is colored compound, whereas most of the neutral compound, they are the colorless. Again I filter the filter paper and just soluble I put here the second test tube and filter the solution. Here the residue is obtained. Here the residue is there, but as I told you that some compound is not easily soluble. If I add the NaOH solution, and you clearly see the reprecipitation. આપણે reprecipitation મળે છે, that means if the base is here, so it is soluble in HCl, and again it is reprecipitation with the NaOH solution. Now here the residue is also there, but as I told you that some bases are not completely soluble in dilute HCl. It is partially soluble. If we add concentrated HCl and boil well for some time, then it is soluble. So here we identify that in the organic mixture, there is a one compound is phenol and the second it is the neutral. Now I just add all the mixture into the, and then first as the phenol is here, so for the separation of phenol, because phenol is soluble in NaOH solution, so I add NaOH solution about 50 to 60 ml. Acid is not present, so we not add the bicarbonate. Directly we add NaOH solution. Now shake well with the glass rod. So almost phenol is soluble. It is soluble in NaOH. Now again filter it. And for the filtration, we just arrange like this way. Here is the funnel is there, and here we use filter paper for the filtration. phenol compound completely soluble in NaOH. If we add concentrated HCl, then we may get reprecipitation. Here, the second compound, it is the base. We clearly see in the color of the base, it is the black brown color is there. So, we have just, here is the black brown color that we have seen already. So, this is the base compound. The base is always color compound. If color is a white in the mixture, then we may just conclude maybe there is a neutral is present. Now here we have both the compound is separated. This one is the phenol, which should be we get by the reprecipitation, and this one is the base. These are the very wet compound. So by the use of filter paper, dry filter paper, all the compound is taken into filter paper. This is the phenol is here. So, this is the phenol is there. Phenol is not pink color, it is light black brown color. You know the most of the name of the compound phenol, but in the exam always alpha and beta naphthol is given. Alpha naphthol has the brown black color. In some cases it should be pink. Beta is always mostly pink. We have just identified which compound of phenol is present. It is by the test, and most reliable test, it is the FeCl3 test. We have first prepared the neutral FeCl3 solution. This is the neutral FeCl3 solution because original solution is made in the concentrated HCl. In the phenol solution with the test neutral FeCl3, there is a no green color. Here you confirm that it is the just violet color. You see the just violet color. So it is the alpha naphthol compound. Same we take from the base compound into the filter paper, and again use with the dry filter paper and completely dry it as you are given in first and second year. So completely dry it, and then you have to perform the test as you have already done in first and third semester. The base compound, it is also the black brown color is there, and the main test for the identification, it is the FeCl3 test, and you have seen clearly the blue color. So it is the alpha naphthyl compound is given. In this compound there is a nitrogen is present, so the lysine is positive. There is nitrogen is there because conformative group, it is the amide. Second, it gives the azodite test, and we get red azodite. So by the performance of the different tests, we have just identified that is in the mixer it is the black brown color already, and as we separate, the color of phenol is also blackish brown and the base is also black brown. So it is mixture of alpha naphthol and alpha naphthol amide. I think all of you have clearly understand well.